Hi guys! So in this video, you will be explained about case study and research about Islamic bank in Malaysia, conventional bank and Islamic banking that follows our three standards. The Islamic bank that we choose is Bank Muamalat Malaysia Berhad, which is BMMB, while conventional bank is Commerce International Merchant Bankers Berhad, which is CIMB, and another Islamic banking is Al Rayyan Bank, which is located in Qatar. You will see many differences between these three banks. I hope that at the end of this video, you will have clearer mind about Islamic bank. So enjoy!
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Addina binti Khadzri. Today, I will talk about background of the bank that is CIMB Bank, Bank Muamalat and Al Rayyan Bank. Firstly is CIMB Bank. The real name of CIMB Bank when it was established was Pertanian Buring Sanwa Multinational Bank, in short form PBSM. After being acquired by Commercial Bank in 1989, PBSM was renamed Commercial International Merchant Bankers Berhad, that is CIMB Bank. Now, CIMB Bank Group is a universal bank headquartered in Kuala Lumpur. In group has more than 40 employees and 18 countries, covering major financial centers in Asia and the world, as well as countries where customers conduct a large amount of business and investment. Second is Bank Muamalat. Bank Muamalat is a leading Islamic bank established on 1 October 1999. Bank Muamalat Malaysia Berhad, the second full-fledged Islamic bank to be established in Malaysia after Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad. It's poised to play its role in providing Islamic banking products and services to Malaysians without regard to race or religious belief. Bank Muamalat has a presence throughout the country through a network of 67 branches. Bank Muamalat also a member of DBB Hikam Berhad Group, which has 70% of the bank shares, with the remaining participation of Khazanah Nasional Berhad. Lastly is Al Rayyan Bank. Al Rayyan is a commercial bank in the United Kingdom, established in August 2004 to offer Sharia-compliant financial services product to customers of any faith. The bank states that it has 5 values, that is Sharia-compliant, community-oriented, secure, good value, and pioneering. Faith is an important factor for the bank, and accordingly, branches briefly close on Friday afternoon to allow the staff to attend Friday prayers. Bank Al Rayyan is structured into the three main business divisions, that is, retail banking offer a variety of products and services. Second, wholesale banking offer products and services. Lastly, private banking, which offer tailored solutions in the area of investment planning and asset management, wealth management, credit planning, and management.
Assalamualaikum, I am Izzati, and today I am going to talk about basis of preparation for financial statement for Bank Muamalat, CIMB Bank, and Masraf Al Rayyan Bank. Firstly, Masraf Al Rayyan Bank. The board of directors of the bank is responsible for the preparation of the interim condensed consolidated financial statement in accordance with the financing accounting standard issued by the Accounting and Auditing for the Organization for Islamic Financial Institution, AAOFI. Next is CIMB Bank. The preparation of unaudited of condensed interim financial statements in conformity with the MFRS requires the use of certain critical accounting estimates and assumptions that affect the reported amounts of assets and liabilities, and disclosure of contingent assets and liabilities at the date of the unaudited condensed interim financial statements, and the reported amounts of income and expenses during the reported period. Lastly, Bank Muamalat. The financial statement of the bank and its subsidiaries, the group, have been prepared in accordance with the Malaysian Financial Reporting Standards, MFRS, International Financial Reporting Standard, IFRS, and the requirement of the Company Act 2016 in Malaysia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Farhana binti Rosli and my card ID is BMF2001005. Okay, so today I will share to you guys about bank muamalat to conventional financial instruments. Okay, so we already choose the Sharia bank, which is bank muamalat. Okay, so I will show the difference between the conventional product and the bank muamalat product. Okay, so we can see that conventional product are using saving or current account, but in bank muamalat they are using a deposit, which is they are use a tawarruk contract. Okay, so tawarruk consists of two sales and purchase contracts, where the first involve the sales of the asset to purchaser on the different basis, and the subsequent sales involve the sale of the asset to the third party on the cash basis. In this product, the customer will purchase the commodity at the purchase price from the supplier and thereafter sell the commodity to the bank and at sale price on the basis of murabaha, which shall be paid to the customer at the maturity date. The bank shall thereafter sell the commodity to a third party on cash basis. Okay, the cash shall be treated as deposit placement from the customer. Okay, so next is conventional product are using a fixed deposit. Meanwhile, in bank muamalat, they are using a fixed term account -I. Okay, so I is mean Islamic. Okay, so bank muamalat are using wakalah. So actually they are using a lot of contract, but I choose a different contract because they will explain the same thing. So I choose wakalah. Okay, so in this contract using wakalah. Okay, wakalah is a contract in which a party which is muwakil authorizes another party as his agent, which is wakil, to perform a particular task in matter that may be delegated either voluntarily or with imposition of fee. Okay, so next is conventional product are using the property financing. Meanwhile, the bank muamalat is using a property financing. Okay, so another name is also they are using home financing. Okay, so they are using a lot of contract, but I choose what munzim and murabaha. Okay, so under the tawarruk arrangement, the customer applies for financing from the bank by entering into a binding promise, which is what munzim that I just said, for an asset requisition to purchase the Sharia compliant commodities, which is commodity lah, such as crude palm oil, which is CPO, plastic resin polyester, which is PE, and any other commodities that are approved by Sharia committee of the bank from the bank of selling price. Okay, last but not least, conventional product are using letter of credit. Meanwhile, bank muamalat they are using letter of credit -I and documentary credit. Okay, so they are using a murabaha contract. Okay, so a murabaha contract refer to the sales of goods at a price which includes cost plus as agreed by both seller and the buyer. This is a contract where the commodity exchange for is delivered immediately and the price is paid in lump sum at the later date.
So, I'm going to present about differences of component in statement of financial position. For assets, bank muamalat, which is Islamic bank in Malaysia, have cash and short-term fund, Islamic derivative, financial assets, investment properties, right of use asset, plant and equipment. For CIMB Bank, they have cash and short-term funds, same as bank muamalat, deposits and placement with bank and other financial institution, financial investment portfolio, loans, advance and financing. For Al-Rayyan Bank, they have cash and balance with central bank, due from bank, investment, security and investment on associates. The three of them have the same item on cash on and short-term fund. Islamic Bank in Malaysia have derivative financial assets, while Islamic Bank that follow AUFI standard have investment on society. For the liabilities in bank muamalat are deposit from customers, deposits and placement of banks and other financial institutions, and provision for zakat and taxation. Next, liability in CIMB Bank are deposits from customers, deposits and placement of bank and other financial institutions, and subordinate obligation. For liabilities in Al Rayyan Bank are customer current account, sukuk financing, and other borrowings. All of them have almost same liabilities like paying zakat and taxes. In equity for bank muamalat are share capital, reserve, and restricted investment account. For CIMB Bank, ordinary share capital, reserve, and shares held under trust. Lastly, equity for Al Rayyan Bank are share capital, fair value reserve, and retained earnings. Most of them is the same among the three banks, but in Islamic Bank, they have restricted account.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Alif Najmi bin Rosli. Today I would like to talk about the difference of statement of comprehensive income. Our group has chosen three banks, which is CIMB, Bank Muamalat, and also Al Rayyan Bank. The first component that we can see is profit and loss. For Bank Muamalat, we have income from financing transaction. For CIMB, we have profit for the financial year. For Al Rayyan Bank, we have profit and loss for the year. The first component shown clearly that we can see the three bank has different layout on the first item. The second component is net income. For Bank Muamalat, we have net gain in fair value. For CIMB also, we have the same as Bank Muamalat, which is net gain change in fair value. For Al Rayyan Bank, we have fees and commission income and also fees and commission expenses. It is obviously that Bank Muamalat and CIMB has same component, while Al Rayyan Bank is a bit different from these two banks. The third component is net fees and commission income. For Bank Muamalat, we have realized gain transfer to profit or loss on disposal. For CIMB, we have net loss from change in value attributable to on credit risk and currency translation difference. For Al Rayyan Bank, we have gain on disposal on investment security and also foreign exchange loss. These three banks obviously shows different component of net fees and commission income. The fourth component is other income. We only have CIMB, which is income tax effect. Only CIMB Bank has other income in the component. The last one is we have profit for the financial year. For Bank Muamalat, we has other comprehensive loss for the period net of tax and total comprehensive loss. For CIMB, we have owner of the parent and also non-controlling interest. For Al Rayyan Bank, we have amount transfer to the income statement and also other comprehensive income for the financial year. These three banks has different type of component for the profit for the financial year. So for the conclusion is that we can see that there are difference between Islamic bank, which is Bank Muamalat, conventional bank, which is CIMB, and also Islamic bank that follow our fee standard, which is Al Rayyan Bank. We can also see the difference in component in statement of financial position as well as statement of comprehensive income. That's all from me. Thank you.